Hello guys, welcome back to another section. Today we are discussing how to apply Ireland visa. First we have to go through the official website of VFS, and here we have to go through apply visa. First step will be the appointment, so you can easily book appointment on this portal. And rest of document we have to do. And here identify visa type, and we have to select from here tourism, tourist, and here you can see the visa will be valid 3 months, and this is a visa fee, single entry and VFS service charge. Apart from these two fees, we have to make the payment for the appointment. And this is a checklist, normal checklist for all the visa, like bank statement, application, hotel ticket, travel insurance, all documents similar like Schengen visa. And now you can see processing time is taking almost 1 month processing time for Ireland. And here we have to fill the application we have to fill it online. From this website we can easily fill it the application, and here select visit. I would like to come to Ireland, visit, and you have to select from here apply for a short stay C tourist visa, and in here we can able to fill the application. From here automated visa application, that is a website for the Ireland online application. From continue, and we have to fill it our basic details like personal detail like name, passport number, passport details, address, and employment background, previous travel history, family background, all detail we have to fill it, and we have to generate online application form. Like that the process is going on. The details which here filling is random, just for the application reference. So whenever you are filling the application, you have to take the details from your documents. Are you watching my channel first time? Please subscribe. you have to save the unique transaction number somewhere. This will be help you if you log out, and we can able to retrieve the application. And sometime this number is required for booking appointment also. Sometime they are asking to mention the application reference number, and from here we have to review the application. Any changes we can do the amendment. After that we have to submit, then we can able to generate PDF. Yeah, like that. View and print summary. This form we have to take while going for submission along with other document. Hope you guys understand about Ireland visa. Any question, clarification, you can put on comment. I can help you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another video.